Welcome to Redline Review. Volvo's safety, Scandinavian design, and eco-friendly features make the 2026 Volvo Motorhome a bold entry into the high-end motorhome market. This motorhome's elegance and ease reflect Volvo's design, sustainability, and clever functionality. Exterior layout. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome stands out with its sleek aerodynamic style. Motorhomes use Volvo heavy-duty chassis or Volvo FMX platforms. Volvo Thor Hammer LED headlamps, frameless double-glazed panoramic windows, and smooth aluminum and composite panel construction are exterior features. Rooftop solar panels and satellite dome, underfloor storage and power awnings. Volvo Prestige pairs with style and performance. Indoor comfort and style enter a Scandinavian minimalist paradise. Straight lines, open spaces, and natural light are valued. The living room boasts floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows, ash or birch cabinets, and high-end leather or wool blend seating. A 55-inch smart TV that retracts and multicolored ambient lighting enhance the scene. The kitchen contains a huge refrigerator, freezer, solid surface counters with built-in lighting, a convection oven, purified water tap, and full-sized induction cooktop. King-size memory foam bed with ambient ceiling light panels, soundproof walls, touchscreen control panel, and underbed storage. Bathroom, heated flooring, stone textured tiles, smart mirror, spa-style wet bath with rain shower. Volvo uses hypoallergenic, sustainably derived materials to protect health and the environment. Tech and networking infotainment, an Android-powered lighting, water, heating, and security control center that can be accessed by a huge touchscreen on the wall or a smartphone app. Wireless charging, 5G antenna, and Starlink satellite internet are included. Zone-based climate management, AI-assisted energy optimization, and voice-activated blinds or smart systems. Performance/powertrain. Volvo Motorhome 2026 power plants vary. D8K mild hybrid diesel for long-distance efficiency. The Volvo e-Motorhome is electric, 300-kilometer range, and fast to charge. Intelligent terrain control and regenerative braking. Optional AWD for off-road and winter travel. Volvo's adjustable air suspension and agile steering make this motorhome feel like an SUV. Safety features. The RV embodies Volvo's unmatched safety, semi-autonomous highway driving with pilot assistance, 360-degree cameras, radar-based collision prevention, emergency braking, pedestrian and cyclist identification, lane keep assistance, fatigue warning, gas leak sensors, and fire suppression in living areas. There's no safer motorhome on the road. Cost and access. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome starts at $280,000 and can cost up to $400,000 for special builds. Volvo offers limited production and bespoke interior design for exclusivity. Verdict. Volvo Motorhomes 2026 represents modern elegance, sustainability, and safety. Volvo's peace of mind helps it compete in the luxury RV market. This RV makes weekend or long-term travel peaceful, secure, and appealing.